All right, today I'm going to show you how to turn on an air conditioning unit. As you can see, I have this window air conditioning unit right here, and I'm going to show you how to turn it on. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the controls, and I'm going to look for the controls. And the first thing I'm going to look for is the power button. That is a power button. I'm going to press that, but in a moment, I'm going to show you the temperature controls because it may be loud once I turn it on. Right here, you have the fan. You have options of the auto, high, medium, low. The mode, you can have it on cool, just the fan, or the energy saver. You have a delay, 1 to 24 hours. You can actually delay this particular unit. And you can reset the filter. When the filter gets clogged and you clean it or replace it, you press that to reset the filter to get the unit running. And then right here, you have the temperature, and then you have the delay hours button. This is the plus or minus. So I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna try to go through the controls a little bit, but just in case it's too loud, I just went over it before. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I'm gonna press the power. See, the power is on. As you can see right here, the fan is on low. I'm gonna switch it to hot, medium, high, and then there's auto, okay? That's the auto, so it's adjusted, okay? And then right here, the mode is on energy saver. I can go from fan to cool. All right, I'm just gonna go to energy saver. And then of course, the temperature, I'm just gonna switch over to that. I can change the temperature to whatever I want it to right here. All right, and to turn it off, I'm just gonna go to the power. And that's how you turn on and off the air conditioning window unit. Let me know if you have any questions.